Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cool border like this in a couple of simple steps. First of all, you need a Photoshop or you need an editing software. You can use a free one online, I can't remember what it's called, but it is one that is free. I'll put all the links in the description. And yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, obviously open up Photoshop and you're going to be creating two things. One of them is a mask. I'm going to explain why one's white and why the background's black now, and the other one is the outer glow. So first of all, when you start a new canvas, I'm going to start it by 1920 by 1080. This is what my camera is. Some people can be 720, depending on what they've got. And I normally have a transparent background, but for this one, we're going to have a coloured background, okay? But I'll show you as it's transparent, just in case. So all you need to do is get the background, make sure the background is black. And the reason is, with a mask, it takes away all the black areas of the mask, and then it keeps the white areas. So that's why we have a black and white mask, simply because it will take away the corners of the mask and keep this lovely little bit here. Alright, so what we're going to do then, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. What we're going to do then is go and get our shape, get the rounded edge, and we're going to set this, the roundedness, the radius to 80. And we're just going to create our shape, okay? So we need to make sure that obviously the fill is white. There is no stroke on the side. And we are just going to move this up here like this. Okay? So we're going to select all. So it's Control and A on the keypad. And we're going to center and center. Okay. Once we've done that, we can pull out there now, and we can Control T, transform the shape, hold Shift, hold the edge, and we're going to bring it in a tad. So you can change the shape whatever you want here. I'm going to make sure that this shape is actually on the top here, so then we can give us a nice little space to do the outer glow. Okay, so once you've done that, we're going to duplicate this, so just duplicate layer and press OK. So what we're going to do now, we're going to hide this and we're going to hide this and just work with this top layer. Okay, so what you're going to do now is press right click, blend options, and you're going to go drop shadow. The reason we pick drop shadow is because we can change the angle to whatever you want, and we can change the color at the same time. So change the color to red. Perfect. I'm going to get the size now is there. The opacity is going to go up. The spread is going to go up a little bit. Distance is going to go up. The spread is going to go down a little bit now. Go down a little bit. I want to use global light. Move this now so it's 135. I like that. Yeah, once that's done now, just press OK. What we're going to do now at the top right here, you will have a thing called fill. We're going to turn that all the way down to 0. Still see the outer glow by here, but the fill is gone to 0. So when you do that now, it'll still fit. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to extract that as a PNG by itself. File, save as, and then select PNG. You can do that for both of them, and then you'll have PNG files like these two. Okay, once you've done that, you want to head over to OBS. As you can see, I am streaming on OBS and recording this video on OBS. So what you want to do is simply select your camera. Mine is by here. I put all my cameras into groups and stuff, just so I can move them around all easily together. I'm going to go right click, press filter, and you want to select a mask, okay? So you just add the bit by here, go to the plus sign to the bottom left, and click image, mask, and blend. Once you do that, you can select your image mask. So one of these two, whatever you downloaded it as, okay? And then once you've done that now, so you want the one with the black background and the white, and as you can see here now, it has disappeared the black bit and has kept the white bit. Okay, so your camera is now in the white bit. If I disable it, you can see everything, okay? But when I enable it, you can only see that bit. Okay, see how it does it? Like that. So that's how that works, okay? So you're just going to press OK, press save, and add that there. Once you've done that, I'm going to lock that, so it's out of the way, out of sight, out of mind. And now the next thing now is to drop shadow. So you literally just open, file, open as a picture, image, import the image, and then that will become an image basically on your thing. So that is literally an image below then. See, as you can see, I've removed my camera now. As you can see, this is just an image. You can move around and stuff like that. So yeah, you literally just put that underneath your camera. And voila, that's it. Nice, simple, cool overlay for your camera. Simple vertical one that looks clean and may tidy up your stream a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys. If you do like and it has helped, drop a reaction. I will be saving all the links in the description, but drop a sub, drop a like, and I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Much appreciated. Peace.